The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Orange County and east central Florida until 7:15 p.m. EDT. At 7:01 p.m. EDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Orlando International Airport, moving west at 15 miles per hour. Hazard ... tornado ... source ... radar indicated rotation. Impact ... expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Orange County. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.